In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add WhatsApp group link in TikTok. This is very easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open WhatsApp group and tap on three dots on the top right corner. Then you will see first option group info. Tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on invite via link. You will see this option under participants. Then copy this link. Next step is to open your TikTok app and tap on profile on the bottom right corner. You can see I have 1351 followers. To add a clickable link, your followers should be more than 1000. Otherwise your link will not be clickable. Now I'm going to show you how you can add link. So tap on this edit profile. Then tap on website under business information and paste your link here. Save and you can see a clickable link is added to your TikTok profile. When I will tap on this link, they will ask me to join this group. Then again tap on edit profile. I will remove link from website. If your followers are less than 1000, then you will not see this option website. Then you have to add your link in bio. So tap on bio and paste your link here. Save and you can see link added to my profile, but this link is not clickable. I am tapping on it and it's not opening the group. So this is how you can add WhatsApp group link in TikTok.